the world's largest biofactory for breeding mosquitoes infected with Wolbachia bacteria, a method researchers use to combat dengue, hopes to protect some 140 million people from the disease in Brazil over the coming years.
Wolbachia it only lives inside insects' cells. So if the insect dies, it dies with it. And Wolbachia is presenting more than 60% of insects all around nature, and we had contact with these for centuries, and we never had any interaction with humans. So it's really safe. It's approved by Anvisa in Brazil, by the World Health Organization, and in Anvisa in Australia was approved as well for the regulation agencies. So it's really safe, and we've been working, and we have some really great results protecting people. So in Australia, more than 12 years without circulation of dengue virus. Only imported cases arrived in the country. And we had a randomized study control in Indonesia showing a 77% of reduction in dengue. And in Brazil, last week, we are in August, we had the update of the first city, Niterói, and showing 89% reduction in dengue cases.
Vou deixar com vocês.
Pode ficar ali.
Posso ficar?
Isso, aham.
Primeiro cai as larvas, essa linha, todas larvas, machos, cai nessa gaveta e na terceira gaveta caem as fêmeas.
Here we are at Mosquito with the aim to produce 100 million eggs of Aedes mosquitoes with Wolbachia, the Mosquitos, to protect every 6 months around 7 million people in Brazil. The idea is to work together with the Ministry of Health and Fiocruz and having a list of the most important cities in terms of epidemiology everywhere in Brazil, and be able to deploy the program to train local people and do the service, the training, and distributing the mosquitoes that are coming from this facility to many cities in Brazil.
We received the mosquitoes' eggs from our site for our plant in Curitiba, and before receiving, we estimated the numbers. We calculate the expected number of mosquitoes should be released in each area that we are covering at this moment. And then once we received this material, we separate accordingly day by day production and inform the whole staff about the tasks needed. And then we use these eggs in water in a tube, which develop at least 7 days. And then we transfer to another room to get the mosquitoes ready to be released.
With support from Brazil's health ministry, Mosquito's efforts will target dengue hotspots, helping reduce the spread of the disease and protect millions across the country.